you know, just chilling in front of my car. What's up? Hi guys, so right now I'm going to be doing a back to school challenge video, and this is actually my morning routine in the car. So I'm going to be doing my makeup, my skincare, eating breakfast, getting ready, literally everything that you can think of in a morning routine while in a moving car. So my friend's going to drive for me. Also, I don't recommend doing this. Don't do it. Just be safe if you do. This will be interesting. Also, thank you so much American Eagle for sponsoring this video on their Next Level jeans. Guys, they are amazing and so cute. It's their new line, and right now I'm wearing their mom jeans, which look so good and make your tushy look. I will link them down below if you guys are interested in getting any of the jeans, and you'll see the different styles throughout this video, so got you. So if you guys get a pair of these jeans, definitely use the hashtag AEXME and tag me so I can see and we can twin it. Love that for us. So definitely subscribe, it's down below, and definitely turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. It's just that little bell thing, so definitely click it. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started on this video. Okay, so let's go. Oh, ow. Seatbelt first. Ew, it's so silent. Right now we're gonna go to Starbucks, but I got my cereal and stuff, so.
Did you really bring half a gallon of milk?
What am I doing? I feel like I got a hot flash. Ew, Emily, don't look at me.
All we can hear is your crunching.
Ew. Hi.
Hi there, what can I get for you?
A venti passion tea.
Yeah, anything else?
Oh, no. Thank you. I like shook.
Or grande?
I get anxiety. Okay, I'm done with breakfast. Also, my top's from American Eagle, so. He's cute.
Yeah, we'll take them.
Did you turn up? Is everything okay?
Oh yeah, sorry. Sorry, yeah. Oh.
Are we good?
Go, 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 go. This is so awkward. She's like, you look so confused. Like, yes, I'm so sorry. I was trying to get the shot, sister. So next up with getting ready is washing my face. So I have all of this stuff. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna try. I guess let's like get my face wet. Oh my god. I dabbed my face, I guess. I'm a mess. I'm taking my face wash now and putting it on my face. Now I'm gonna take my washcloth and just, okay, right. Okay, that wasn't that bad. Now I'm going to moisturize my face. Good to go. Time to brush my teeth. Ugh. She's zooming. I could have gagged myself. Did you see that? That's so gross. I feel sticky. Now we're gonna do my face. We're gonna do makeup. Oh my god, okay, it's a red light, so I need to do this quick.
Oh no.
Okay. That was stressful. Okay, now I'm doing eyelashes. And I think I forgot my scissors, so I'm just gonna have to like bite them off. So sanitary.
Did you really just bite it?
It worked though. This is like impossible. all green lights. We're going up a big hill right now. I'm doing my mascara. Okay. How long did that take? Honestly,
too long.
like
Too long.
But I just did my makeup. What do you guys think? How does it look?
Really good. Surprisingly.
It looks
Sister
fresh.
snap.
Ew. Onto my hair. So I can't really straighten or curl my hair, so I'm just gonna like use dry shampoo, brush my hair out, and hopefully it looks all right. I look like a witch. Hair is like done, I guess. I guess this is what I'm working with. Next up, I need to change into my pants because I'm wearing shorts right now. And we got options out here. I got all of my American Eagle jeans. Got the high-rise cropped flare ones, which look like this. They're really cute. We have the jeggings with the rips. We have the mom jeans, and then we have the next level stretch ones. And these are the high-rise jeggings, which I think I'm gonna go with. I feel like it'll look good with this outfit. I'm gonna change somehow. I hope no one really sees me. I can't unbuckle either. Oh my gosh. The good thing about these ones is they're really stretchy, so they come in clutch. My toe. Oh my god. Right. Of course we're going over bumps. I'm flustered. We're done with the hard part. Okay, that was a struggle and a half. Now the last challenge. Sorry. She's mad. She's a mad girl. So I kind of like squished my bread. I like sat on it, you know? But we're gonna make ourselves a sandwich. Yeah, I didn't really have that many condiments, so I only had like almond butter and like bread. So it's gonna be a really dry sandwich, but we're gonna make it for my lunch. Like, look how much peanut butter I have left. Where do I put this? I'll lick it. I just got it on my nose. Oh. We're done, guys. I challenge you guys to do this, okay? Actually, I don't. This was a struggle. Okay, if you're wondering, this camera, it looks so ratchet. Look at, I literally taped it all up. I didn't have a car tripod, so this is what we've been working with. It's strapped in there, though. See you later. See you. Ew. She said see ya. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Ew. I'm ready to get out of this car. Did you see me try to grab it? High-rise jeggings from American Eagle. Watching this video, definitely give it a thumbs up if you guys want more challenge videos, and be sure to subscribe. It'll be down below, and of course turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. Ew. Oh, another car. I'm just gonna act normal. This is really awkward. Hi. Yup, she's judging. Also, don't forget to check out the American Eagle jeans. I will link them down below. They're a bomb. I'm not just saying that. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.